और क्या खाया मैं?
और क्या?
फिश खाया था।
एक
फिर थोड़ा
how big the fish was? Wallahi it was this
Yeah.
big, बस।
चलो यार, मैं ज़्यादा कंसर्न हलाल हराम से, इसलिए मैं वो चीज़ें
नहीं, जब वो बोले कि हलाल हलाल। So they have like shops and stalls and stuff. Oh, this seems a bit. Oh, I think there's a belt there. I think I've seen a belt. I don't know. First time तो नहीं है ना आपका बीच पर?
नहीं, I've been to Karachi, but this kind of beach is my first time. It's a
तो
good
वो वाला
experience.
कैसा बीच है?
वो ऐसा ही है almost, लेकिन
Alright, check it out. If the, I mean, obviously, if the sun was out, it probably would have looked a bit better. But it still looks really nice. Look at the difference. There you go. Tan to ho gaya hai. Chalo ji. So, guys, we decided to go to an Indian restaurant or something like that because he can't have any other food now, and now he's looking for the Asian food. Guys, look at the vibe of this restaurant. It looks so nice, Indian.
yeah,
It's Indian, isn't it?
yes, Indian pav bhaji. All right, boys and girls, this is our food. This is chicken biryani, and I'm trying Indian food, pav bhaji. मैंने movies में ही देखा और videos में ही। नैप लूँगा छोटा सा, सही है? मैं भी जाके नीचे लेटने लगूँ, सही है? चलो 1 2 3। इस रात को ऐसे ज़्यादा मज़ा करता है यार, as compared to दिन को।
हर जगह रात को ज़्यादा मजा
Yeah.
आता है। आप जिधर भी जाते हैं ना, हर जगह ज़्यादा।
हर जगह रात को जवान होता है।
Alright guys, look where we've made it to Walking Street. This is a very famous place in Pattaya and it is very, very, very busy. हाँ जी, क्या है?
Really busy and there's so much going around here.
There's so much to do. There's so much going on.
जलवा क्लब का तो मजा नहीं, जलवा क्लब का मजा है। Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are having a great day. So welcome to our YouTube channel. We are back with another amazing vlog. So right now we are in somewhere. She will let you know where are we.
Pattaya.
Yeah, we are in Pattaya and this is our room basically in Pattaya. What's the hotel name called?
S Lodge.
S Lodge Hotel. And यहाँ से beach भी 3-4 minutes walk away है. So अभी हम जाते हैं बाहर एक्सप्लोर करते हैं पटाया में, इधर बाहर आउटडोर पूल भी है एंड विल शो यू। अभी जाते हैं बाहर थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर भी करते हैं, आपको पूल वगैरह भी दिखाते हैं। फिर किधर जाने का? बीच?
फिर पता नहीं, let's explore the streets and then we'll go to the beach.
Yeah, so first let's go, we'll explore it, then we will see क्या क्या है क्या नहीं है। देखते फूड भी कोई अच्छा सा मिल गया तो कोई जायकेदार। मेन मसला ये है ना, हम जायके वाले फूड खाते हैं। So ये इनकी कोई एलिफेंट्स है। हाँ,
खाना अच्छा है, आपको पसंद नहीं है।
खाना अच्छा है,
हाँ,
ठीक है यार,
नहीं अच्छा है।
अच्छा। Yes, I did eat.
एक ब्रोकली, एक कैरेट स्टिक
और क्या खाया मैं?
और क्या?
फिश खाया था।
एक
फिर थोड़ा
how big the fish was? Wallahi it was this
Yeah.
big, बस।
चलो यार, मैं ज़्यादा कंसर्न हलाल हराम से, इसलिए मैं वो चीज़ें
नहीं, जब वो बोले कि हलाल हलाल है,
किसने बोला?
ऊपर से जो चीजें हम लिए है उसका हलाल हराम का
हाँ,
कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है ना।
मैं ढूंढे को इंडिया पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट में खाएगा कढ़ाई शढ़ाई बिरयानी शरानी, समझा करो नहीं।
हाँ, बट जो चीजें हम कल खाए उसका वो हलाल हराम से कोई लिंक नहीं है।
नहीं होता, क्यों नहीं होता यार?
व्हाइट राइस से
बीच
क्या
में
लिंक होता
मैं
है?
आपसे पूछे फिश है चिकन है को, क्योंकि वो
हाँ, वो अलग
हाँ,
बात
तो
है।
जाहिर
मैंने
बात है,
told you
इट्स द
कि-
मेन कॉन्सेप्ट।
तो जब मैं आपको बोला कि फिश है,
हाँ, तो फिर मैं डाले
yeah, and you
3 पीसेस डाले मैं।
ब्रो
मैं हराम चीज
White
नहीं
rice
खाती, सिंपल मुझे हराम चीज।
और यार जब मैं आपको बोला कि हराम
मैं खाना ही नहीं चाहता है,
और व्हाइट
मैं
राइस,
एक दफा नहीं 10 टाइम्स में कंफर्म करके इसे हलाल हो।
yeah, white rice.
बी केयरफुल, ये से तो नहीं पता है, खुद गोरा कंट्री में पैदा हुए, इस्लाम इस्लाम करता है, बाकी हलाल हराम का कांसेप्ट नहीं है। चले खुदा हाफिज।
Alright, here boys and girls, this is the well, that's the main entrance of the lodge, and this is the pool area. So, what do you think of it?
Yeah, it's nice. देखते भी थोड़ी देर में स्विमिंग करते हैं, इधर एक चला भी घूम।
इधर तो
ये
guys, he's drunk by the way, or something like that. He's doing stupid things,
थोड़ा सा
like he's jumping.
ये
And I was gonna say this closes at 8 o'clock, so we might not even be here for it.
Yeah.
Look.
अभी 3 हुआ है. जाते बस घूमते देखते क्या क्या पहले बीच पे जाते थे.
So yeah, okay. Alright, so we have made it on, this is called Beach Road, by the way. Obviously, it is really, really, really nice, but there's no sun.
Yeah.
There's no sun, although it's really warm. I'm not going to lie, the weather is really nice, but there's no sun.
It's a nice place.
It is a really nice place, yeah. It reminds me of when I went to Morocco, though. I don't know why. But let's cross the road and let's see.
The beach vibe.
And they have a lot of different, this is more of like a touristy area. In Bangkok, where the area that we stayed in, there was tourists, just not that many. But obviously now our hotel in this city, Pattaya, is closer to like attractions and beaches and stuff, so yeah. So they have like shops and stalls and stuff. Oh, this seems a bit, well, I think there's a belt there. I think I've seen a belt. I don't know. I'm really, really after a belt. But anyway, look at these Thai boxing shorts. They're pretty cool actually, innit? Your shorts cool, है ना?
Yeah, they're really cool.
Yeah. Okay. हाँ, कि इधर से शायद नहीं है. देख लेते हैं. I don't know if I saw it. I might have seen it. Alright guys, so here we are at the beach and it is actually perfect weather.
Yeah.
As you can see.
Sunny.
Look at the view behind me. Look how beautiful it is. Look at everything. What do you think?
It's really good. Very nice view. Weather भी अच्छा है, गर्मी भी नहीं है.
First time तो नहीं है ना आपका बीच पर?
नहीं, I've been to Karachi, but this kind of beach is my first time. It's a
तो
good
वो वाला
experience.
कैसा बीच है?
वो ऐसा ही है almost, लेकिन ये तो different vibe है ना.
उधर लोग नहीं ज़्यादा था.
नहीं, उधर तो बहुत लोग था.
तो फिर वाइब कैसा मतलब?
Yeah, but
बीच तो बीच होता है जिधर भी होता है.
बीच तो बीच होता है, लेकिन ये बीच का vibe different है. Vibe same नहीं होता है. It's about vibe, not the place.
चलो सही है.
और just ना पाकिस्तान में भी हैं, but इधर का vibe different है.
पाकिस्तान तो पाकिस्तान है ना
वो
फिर.
तो है. Pakistan is Pakistan. Yeah, no doubt.
You know what's crazy? I never thought I'd say this, but like, I actually miss Pakistan. I don't know, I was telling him in the car, I actually miss it. Pakistan to Pakistan है फिर चलो कोई बात नहीं.
घर घर होता है.
But you still have to
Explore.
get out and you
Yeah.
can't always stay in one place ever. So, you know, otherwise you will never grow, never learn. And chalo, let me show you the vibe. Let me show you what's going on, okay? All right, check it out. Obviously, if the sun was out, it probably would have looked a bit better. But it still looks really nice. It's still quite busy. There's still quite a lot of people. I think they prefer it like this, though, innit? Sun नहीं है, धूप इधर सख्त होता है ना.
पूरा tan होने के लिए आता है, but sun नहीं. हम भी tan, already tan.
Yeah. Look, pull your sleeve up. Look at the difference. There you go. Tan तो हो गया है. चलो जी. So guys, we decided to go to an Indian restaurant or something like that because he can't have any other food now, and now he's looking for the Asian food. And we are trying to look. Oh, there it is, India Gate there. I don't know how nice it will be because
ये यार टाइप आर सिविक्स रिबॉन तो ये सिविक एक्सपो होते हैं. मैं तो गाड़ी ही देख रहा हूँ कब से.
Yeah.
चलो मैं हार्ड लगा.
Let's go and eat something because I'm really.
मेरा शो भी है, but we are there.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, इंशाल्लाह.
Look at that, कितना drop है. Look at that. ज़मीन के साथ टच हुआ हुआ है.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe your suspension, I guess.
Okay, let's go. Guys,
Paneer.
look at the vibe of this restaurant. It looks so nice, Indian.
Yeah,
It's Indian, isn't it?
yes, Indian. Pav Bhaji. I want to try.
And look at the song. Look at the song in the back. Look at the song in the back. Hear it. Yeah. They're looking at you, by the way. They're all looking at you. Okay, choose what you want now.
Alright, boys and girls, this is our food. This is chicken biryani and I'm trying Indian food, pav bhaji. मैंने movies में ही देखा है और videos में ही. So I thought I should try this. और ये मेरी मीठी लस्सी है. These are plates. So it's proper Indian style plates. So yeah, चलो खाते हैं, खाना खाते फिर जाते हैं बीच पे थोड़ा summer activities करता है. And this is our food. Looks amazing.
Go! Guys, we're on the beach and it's raining, so it's not actually raining, but look, he's going. See that? Look at his slippers. Alright guys, so now we have shifted from the beach to the swimming pool in the hotel.
नीचे नैप लूँगा छोटा सा. सही है, मैं भी जाके नीचे लेटने लगूँ. सही है. चलो 1 2 3.
That was a quick nap.
Huh?
That was a quick nap.
What?
That was a quick nap.
बस नींद पूरी होगी ना.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So alright guys, right now we are on beach side. रात को.
Yes. We are going to the beach. I'll tell you later.
Yeah, which we are going where?
To the walking street in Pattaya. And
Yeah.
it's very, very lit up.
चलो उधर जाते हैं. This is the beach and ये इसका vibe है. सारा इस रात को ऐसे ज़्यादा मज़ा करता है यार, as compared to दिन को.
हर जगह रात को ज़्यादा मजा
Yeah.
आता है. आप जिधर भी जाते हैं ना, हर जगह ज़्यादा.
हर जगह रात को जवान होता है. बात तो सही बोली है ना. अभी यहाँ पे थोड़ी ये नहीं कह सकता लाहौर की वाइब आ रही है. हेलो, हाउ आर यू? या वी आर गुड, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. सो गाइस, I found a Turkish restaurant.
जोर से.
रमदान डोनर कबाब. तो मैंने अभी चिकन तवक रोल टाइप होता है वो ऑर्डर करा है. देखते हैं, ट्राई करते हैं, क्योंकि हाफ ही करेंगे क्योंकि इट्स गोना बी बिग आई गेस. अभी इस टाइम हम बीच के पास हैं.
वो बीच आगे वो है and it's a very very beautiful vibe.
भाई बहुत अच्छा पटाया का as compared to Bangkok, you know.
Bangkok is more city vibe.
Yeah, it's like
It's different.
Yeah, it's different and this is different. With the fast life is like chill like feels like you are in Miami.
सही बात है. And they have little stalls everywhere.
Yeah.
Like this. Very cool. They have those tie shorts everywhere.
Yeah, the
I
boxing
feel like buying one for Isaac, but then I know he's not going to wear it. So what's the point, you know? And yeah. Alright guys, look where we've made it to. Walking Street. This is a very famous place in Pattaya and it is very, very, very busy. As you can see. Let's go and have a look. Let's go, let's go. What do you think?
Yeah, let's see, let's experience.
What do you think about the vibe?
देखते हैं फिर पता चलेगा.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ जी, क्या है?
It's really busy and there's so much going around here.
There's so much to do. Whoa. Good stuff and bad stuff. You know? If you know, you know. She's covering her face, or shall I say he? Ha! Yeah. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Look at it. Wow.
Full of life.
Full of life. Oh my god, this is crazy. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. ये आगे ये check करो. Look at that. Check करो. Pattaya Ghost it says.
पटाया गोश्त के पास से हम जा रहे हैं.
हाँ, जाओ.
थोड़ा मारूं.
Joe, Maro, you might just, you know, there's so much going on.
जलवा क्लब का तो मजा नहीं, जलवा क्लब का मजा है।
Uh-huh. Let's see.
So guys, we just went from the club and now इधर थोड़ा खाई पियो हो रहे. So she just bought her. What?
Basically, there's not really that many club places.
Yeah. But मैं वो खाया था Turkish. It was really nice.
Yeah.
But this one's your favorite, so
I've gone also right now.
yeah. Can you eat now? And this is the walking street.
The walking
street का McDonald's में we are sitting right now. Mafia the club वो सामने Nasha club and there are a lot of clubs and stuff and very different place for us to be honest. Oh, your mouth hurts, yeah. So guys, right now we are sitting here on the beach. Yeah,
It's like 12 a.m.
yeah, and just chilling. It's really windy and very nice. Oh, look there, Pattaya and city. So this is the
view on that side.
yeah. It's so lively here and it's so busy. Yeah, it was good.